¿Qué pasó?
Hello, boys and girls. Today I'm working on a custom wiring harness for Miss Mabel, our Vegas build. Basically what I'm doing is mimicking a stock harness with a few small changes to both tidy it up and satisfy our personal need for OCD. There are some changes made to make it more functional. Right now I'm working on different junctions that will be hidden once it's installed, so you'll not see any more wire than is absolutely necessary. Most of it will be hidden. Don't try this at home.
Say good night, Larry.
Good night, Larry.